Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a high-bit workflow and a neutral preview that preserves skin detail while you adjust. Start with white balance. Sample a neutral or gray card because correct color temperature prevents hue shifts later. Then reduce overall exposure by about 0.5 to 1. 5 stops. This recovers highlights and prevents clipped speculars on dark skin. Once done, make sure to enable clipping overlays so you see preserved detail. This foundation sets every correction you'll apply next. Now you focus on midtones and exact color balance because dark skin primarily occupies that range. Use lift/gamma/gain or shadows/midtones/highlights controls. Reduce shadows slightly, raise midtones just enough to reveal texture, and protect highlights. Sample skin tones and nudge hue only a few degrees to avoid overtints. Small changes preserve natural undertones. Once balanced, apply subtle selective saturation or curves on problematic hues to remove cast. Finish by adding gentle contrast and micro-contrast to enhance perceived detail, but avoid crushing blacks because dark skin loses nuance quickly. Use subtle sharpening and local dodging or burning to bring out eyes and texture while keeping skin soft. If you see an unnatural tint or clipping, stop and recheck white balance and midtone hue. Then isolate skin with masks or power windows to correct without affecting background. One key troubleshooting tip. If color shifts when you increase contrast, reduce contrast and rebalance midtones first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.